Okay, so if you're writing something, producing some, paper or journal article, it really helps to have all of your figures and charts uh, done consistently. And so, something that looks good consistently on every graph is to have a border around the plot area. So all you need to do to add a border around the entire plot area is to just click in the plot area so that it is selected. So here we've got the chart area, but clicking here selects the plot area. And here under fill and line options, you go down to the border, change that to a solid line, make sure the color is black, and we'll make it 2-point. So 2-point was the same width that we made the axes widths. And that is all we need to do.